My name is Katherine, I work with Norton.
And I'm Matthew, and I'm a geneticist with Blackhawk Genomics.
We moved here in 2022, and about 11 months later, we had a house fire. Started with the chimney and it went up to the roof, took a lot of damage. We had another project started originally, and it didn't go as planned time-wise. We reached out to PL Lyons to come back and see us and to work with us on the rebuild. From then, it was smooth sailing. Perfection, honestly, comparatively. Adam came out, did a whole walkthrough, very thorough, very quick, impressive job. Just got our hopes up again, you know. Fantastic layouts, great schemes. We had already had some plans in mind for what we wanted the house to look like color-wise, and Adam was able to work all those things in and get us scheduled really quickly with all of the finishings and the appliances. We were introduced to Marty, our project manager, who has been the most amazing human being in this project. Having a house fire is never an easy thing, and having someone do this step by step with you has been incredible. When we bought this house, we knew we were going to do renovations. We had actually started renovating with a private interior designer and her team. Started with the bathroom and the master, converting some things. We were almost finished when the fire happened, which was disappointing. However, working with Adam and his team allowed us to do the whole house remodel in the most custom way we could. Working with Karen at Century was a godsend. I told her I didn't want my house to look like a model home, and she helped me pick and choose my kitchen, rearrange things, and took it to a whole new level. We added the dog bowl for the dogs with the water faucet and the removable bowl to be cleaned. We took out the door in the kitchen that led out to a balcony, and we closed that off, adding more cabinetry, and changed the way that the deck looked. Downstairs, Marty was able to get us a dog wash in the basement, and it's phenomenal for all this mud and rain we've been having. Fixed our laundry room, made it a little larger. We actually converted one of the bedrooms into a larger master closet with a full custom layout, which is just phenomenal.
So I'd absolutely recommend PL Lyons. The experience we've had with them has been very personable, and they've gone above and beyond in every aspect of everything we've asked for. There's never an instance where they overpromised or underdelivered for anything, and from day one they've treated us absolutely like family, and like they were doing the house as if they were going to live in it. They gave us everything that we asked for and made it better than we ever expected. So I would absolutely recommend the PL Lyons team for any remodel or home build for anyone.